to Nigerian Food TV. Today's recipe is a Nigerian yam porridge with vegetables. First, slice the yam, cut off the thick skin, rinse thoroughly, and then place in a pot. Add enough water to cover the yams. Add salt to taste. Cover and leave to boil for some minutes. After about 15 minutes, add the onions, the pepper, stock cubes, crayfish, and then add the palm oil. Now cover and leave to cook until the yams are soft. Add the spinach or pumpkin leaves, also known as ugu. Mix thoroughly and leave to simmer for 2 minutes. Now our porridge is ready. If you like this video, do give us a thumb up by clicking on the like button below. You might also like this video on the delicious Nigerian jollof rice. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done that yet. See you in the next video. Bye bye.